Hello and welcome back to the Carl Ventures channel. With less than 25 days until the start of the Paris Olympics, our vlog series will take you along weekly as we prepare for our trip to witness the world event of our dreams. We will document our journey over the next 25 days, giving you a glimpse of our detailed itinerary, highlighting key events, our Team USA Olympic gear selections, and of course, the final countdown as we eagerly anticipate our next vlog from Paris itself. So buckle up and let's go!
Noah Lyles is on fire. At 26, Lyles has become the man to beat in both the 100 and 200 meters. His recent performances have left fans and experts in awe. He's breaking records, winning titles, and showing no signs of slowing down. Lyles' journey to the top hasn't been easy, but his dedication and talent have paid off big time. He's overcome personal struggles, suffering from asthma as a child, finishing third at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics, despite his goals of gold, and fierce competition through the years to emerge as a true champion. His infectious smile and charismatic personality have made him a fan favorite, but it's his lightning-fast times that have the athletics world buzzing with excitement. The stage is set for Lyles to make history in Paris. The 2024 U.S. Olympic trials were Noah Lyles' playground. He didn't just compete, he conquered. In the 100 meters, Lyles blasted out of the blocks like a rocket, crossing the finish line in a blistering 9.76 seconds. He secured a spot on the Olympic team but also set a new personal best. But Noah wasn't done yet. In the 200 meters, his signature event, he put on a show for the ages, stopping the clock at an astonishing 19.53 seconds. Spectators and experts were impressed by his composure throughout the trials. He handled the pressure with the cool demeanor of a seasoned champion. Even with the weight of expectations on his shoulders, Noah seemed to thrive. The U.S. Olympic trials also showcased Noah's improved start in the 100 meters. In the 200 meters, his mastery of the curve was on full display. These technical improvements, combined with his natural talent, made Lyles a double threat in Paris. Noah Lyles' path to Paris glory was paved with stellar performances in 2023. The World Athletics Championships in Budapest were his crowning achievement. There, Lyles achieved a historic triple gold, winning the 100 meters, 200 meters, and 4x100 meters relay. The 200 meters final in Budapest was Lyles' masterpiece, blazing around the track in 19.52 seconds. But Lyles' 2023 season wasn't just about major championships. He consistently delivered throughout the Diamond League circuit. In Lausanne, he ran a scorching 19.47 seconds in the 200 meters, the fastest time of the year. At the London Diamond League meet, he won the 100 meters in 9.85 seconds. Perhaps the most telling race of 2023 came at the U.S. Championships, where Lyles won both the 100 meters and 200 meters titles. This double victory proved that Lyles is not just a global star, but the undisputed king of American sprinting. Is there science behind Lyles' speed? Noah Lyles' success isn't just about natural talent. It's the result of a finely tuned training regimen backed by cutting-edge science.
Lyles works with a team of experts who analyze every aspect of his performance using high-speed cameras and motion sensors.
Nutrition plays a crucial role in Lyles' preparation, with a carefully planned diet designed to fuel his explosive speed.
Lyles also works with nutritionists to ensure he's getting the right vitamins and minerals.
Strength training is another key component of Lyles' regimen, focusing on explosive power and core stability.
Lyles uses advanced techniques like plyometrics and resistance training.
Recovery is just as important as training in Lyles' program, using cutting-edge recovery techniques to keep his body in top shape.
Lyles also prioritizes sleep, understanding its crucial role in physical and mental recovery.
Mental fortitude, thriving under pressure. Noah Lyles' success isn't just about physical prowess. His mental game is equally impressive.
Lyles has openly discussed his struggles with mental health, turning his experiences into a source of strength.
Lyles' ability to perform under the bright lights of major championships is a testament to his mental fortitude. Visualization is a key part of Lyles' mental preparation.
This technique helps him feel prepared and confident when he steps onto the track.
Lyles also uses positive self-talk to boost his mindset. Lyle's competitive spirit is another mental asset, thriving on challenges and elevating his performance when the stakes are highest.
This was evident in his triple gold performance at the 2023 World Championships.
But perhaps Lyles' greatest mental strength is his resilience, always bouncing back stronger from setbacks. Team Lyles, the support system behind the star. Behind every great athlete is a great team, and Noah Lyles is no exception.
At the core of Team Lyles is his coach, Lance Brahman, who has been with Lyles since his professional debut.
The trust and communication between coach and athlete are evident in Lyles' performances. Lyles' family also plays a significant role in his success.
His brother Josephus, also a professional sprinter, is his training partner and biggest supporter.
This family bond gives Lyles a strong foundation, allowing him to focus on his Olympic dreams. The technical team behind Lyles is equally important, with biomechanists, physiotherapists, and nutritionists all playing crucial roles.
This team of experts works together seamlessly, each playing a crucial role in Lyles' success.
Sponsors also play a part in Team Lyles, providing him with cutting-edge equipment and financial support. Lyles sees his sponsors as partners in his journey to Olympic glory, motivating him to perform at his best. Paris, 2024. A golden destiny awaits. As the Paris Olympics draw near, Noah Lyles stands on the brink of greatness. All signs point to a golden destiny for this American sprint sensation. His dominating performances in the lead-up to the Games have set the stage for something special. Lyles isn't just aiming for victory, he's chasing history. The possibility of gold medals in both the 100 meters and 200 meters looms large. Such a double hasn't been achieved by a man since 2016. That man is Usain Bolt of Jamaica. Lyles' charismatic personality and electrifying performances are already drawing new fans to track and field. The stage is set for something truly special in Paris. Noah Lyles isn't just going to Paris to compete, he's going there to make history. Do you think that Noah Lyles will win gold medals in the 100 meters, 200 meters, and the 4x100 meters in Paris? Let me know by commenting below. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.